We're gonna do a little bit of grocery shopping. I know, do you want to see the intense amount of things I bring? My AirPods. I usually just like to enjoy my surroundings, but no. My bag, my huge water, my UV proof jacket. UVB still gets through, even with the tinted window. If I switched it. Saw this blind book, which I got so excited when I saw it. Usually when I'm at markets or see like small businesses, I don't really stop myself. Oopsie. It's also so nice today. I might just go outside. You can feel the fall. I'm gonna go to the gym soon because I feel like I'm back to myself again, if that makes sense. But like for the past few months, I've just like not really been myself, and like that's okay. But I was reading, these are the type of books I like. I was reading this and I was like, wow, I think I've been away from myself for so long. Actually kind of scary. But I'm back. I'm back. It was mainly the idea that I feel like I wasn't really going anywhere with my life. And that, I guess that was the part that really scared me. But we're getting there. I think just like the action of getting up, going toward my goals is what's really helping me. I think being more positive is what's really been helping me. I'm originally more of a positive person, but I think I kind of lost that. But it's back. It's freeing. It feels very freeing. Here's my favorite sports bra. I use this all the time because it's so comfy. It's from Champion. The workout top is from Uniqlo. It's their exercise line, so I don't ever feel stuffy in this. I might wear something a bit like looser. These are my favorite running shorts. They're from Whiskey. I was gifted these a few years ago, but I think these are literally the only pair that fit like really well. Let's go. Okay. Okay.
Now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, isn't that sweet? I guess so. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know. That's the me espresso. Move it up.
Oh, my baby hairs. I love this mask. Whoa! I just leave this on until it's like completely dry. I feel like it's those type of masks that are okay if you do that. I just put the rest of the essence back in there. It's so full. Oh. Good night. Tomorrow I need a meal prep. I forgot. Get more sesame seeds. Meal prep. Mixed greens, avocado, and sesame dressing. So good. I have my miso chicken. I wanted to get some new cases. I only like using clear cases, so here's some from Casetify. Thank you to Casetify for kindly sponsoring a portion of this video. Casetify is known for their really strong cases. Not only that, they have so many designs. Here's my case. This one I have right here has a bear, bows, and there's this flower case with a heart. They also have phone charms also. I like the clear cases from Casetify because they have a yellowing prevention. So I'm gonna stick with this case until I want a different design. And when I do decide that it's time for a new case, they have a whole bunch of minimalistic cases I can always go for. What I like the most is that it's just a 2-in-1. It's very strong and durable, but you can also have a design you like. You don't have to give up one or the other. You can have both. Use my link, casetify.com/AlexBondoc to enjoy 10% off discount for a limited time only.
You think that you could, a cat could.
I used to watch this when I was a kid. Making Filipino spaghetti. Yes, I'm wearing white, Abigail. There you go.
The economy class is the A380, the world's biggest. Yeah. That's fine. Hey there!
Hey, I got some life cards. I've collected my funds. Now it's time to calculate my funds.
10.
I'm missing an earring. Where'd it go? Huh, where'd it go? I'll just use these tiny ones. Oh, yeah. Let's do her hair. Palipat-lipat. Nini, kunsi pa. Ako magsigay pa. Hot water.
You, I know that something special made me think about you.
I forgot what it's like to wash my bangs every day.
Now he's thinking about me every night. Isn't that sweet? I guess so. So you can't see, baby, I know that's the me espresso.
I forgot to preheat the oven. Punch! Punch, my favorite part.
Baby, I know that's the me espresso.
A little bit.
I can't relate.
Stop. That's why I don't make bread often, because it takes so long.
Might give a fuck. On vacation, and I got this one boy, and he won't stop calling when they act this way. I know I got
Ooh, so pretty.
too bad your ex don't do it for you. Walked in and dream came true for you. Soft skin and not perfume for you.
Cream cheese. People always tell me, be careful what you do.
Now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, isn't that sweet? I guess so. So you can't sleep, baby, I know that's that me espresso.
Ta-da! We got the cream cheese frosting, and we have the pecans.
CLIO, guess what? These guys can hold their breath for 15 minutes.
Ready to try this? I'm gonna watch a movie now. I'm watching Trolls. I hope you liked that video. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye.
Okay, 1.
Why don't you know, don't you know, don't you know? Why does this seem so dark? Look at this. This?
It's like you're like checking on their phone.
Ready?
Boy, you got me onto something. Who could say today's hot? Let's come and tell me. Do you feel that?